Hey guys, it's me Issaplease and welcome back to my channel. Something special came in the mail today and I wanted to make a video about it. The lady who sent this to me is actually a fan of my Hana and that meant so much to me. She personally sent me a Facebook message and asked if she could send me some items and I said yes. It is from the Gianna collection. It's from Gia Mahusay. Hi Gia! Tagalog ha. Maraming salamat po sa pagpadala nyo nito. Salamat sa iyong pagpaniwala. Wait, no, that's not it. Salamat sa... Thank you for trusting me. Congratulations sa success mo. Alam ko hindi... mahirap, no? Alam ko hindi... no. Sweetheart, what's easy in Tagalog? Alam ko na hindi madali mag-umpisa ng bagong negosyo, especially sa beauty industry. It means so much to me that you trust me with your products and that you really value my opinion, and I really do love it. I appreciate it so much. I really do. So let's go ahead and open up the products. Sorry guys ha, if my Tagalog is so whack. I know how to speak Tagalog naman. But I think because I get so conscious, then it becomes harder for me to say stuff. I'm gonna do this in Tagalog because Gia is from Manila and so I want her to understand this vlog. I know she knows how to speak English, but I think it would be fun to do it in Tagalog so that I can torture everyone. Gianna collection, your #1 source of elite fashion. Oh, she has a handwritten note for me. That's so sweet. Hi, Miss Isa. Hope you like our products. Wishing you a Merry Christmas. The Gianna collection. Thank you so much. I currently have 4 lip tints on me right now, and it's powdery lip tint. And it comes in 4 colors. It's Camellia, Puny, Pony. No, it's Pony. I know it's Pony. Anemone, Anemone. What is it? Gianna ha, ang hirap ng mga pangalan. Parang napapasubok ako if gaano ako ka-elite. I hope I'm saying it right, ka-wow. And then they have Freesia. Uy, alam mo, ang timing. Gianna, you know what? I really needed this and thank you for giving this to me. Blush on, as in, like, I really needed powder blush. And I also got a Gianna scent. Alam nyo guys, hindi ako nagpa-perfume. The only perfume I've ever bought in my entire life is the Katy Perry, the one that comes in the cat container. Just because, like, it was on sale. So, lahat ng mga perfume ko, I didn't buy those. Those are all my mom's. And Christmas gifts. So, parang, you know what? It's not that I am not a girl. It's that I don't have money to buy those stuff. So, let's try out the lip tints first. What is this? It's powdery lip tint. I actually don't know what powdery lip tint is. Ooh. Oh my god, you know what this smells like? It smells like bubble jug. Look, guys. Ooh, so it's water. But it's legit powdery. I've never seen this before. I am so amazed by it. Here it is. There. Chinit! I like this red. Ang deep ng pagka-red niya. Ang galing! Camellia. I want to try it on my lips to see what I think about it. It applies nicely. Wow, it's really light. I really like all the colors. It reminds me of watercolor for some reason. Okay, next on the list of things to try is Rosy. So this is the packaging and I like this because it's very compact. Apparently, like you turn it, you twist it and then you get like the product on its own sponge. So you can just bring it everywhere. This is really interesting actually. See, Rosy, I don't think is my shade because if nakikita nyo, ang light niya talaga. Like, you can barely see it on my skin. I mean, you can see it, but it's not typically the color that I would like. So let's try out Coral, and I love coral colors. Oh, you know what? This is nice. I wish this kind of came with a mirror though because like that's the only thing that I would need in my life. Oh, and then you know what? I actually do like this sponge. It feels like a beauty blender. I think this is actually going to be my everyday blush. I have Blair and let's just spray it on my sweaty body. You walk into it. That's how the fancy people. I actually ate it. Oh, it really tastes like rose actually. I'm gonna spray it on me. It's oil based. I keep eating it! The smell is very like if you wanted to be a princess or what you would imagine a princess to smell like. I tend to like fruitier flavors. Like, just imagine Paris Hilton and the Katy Perry one that I was talking about. This one is, I think, like, very baby, very, like, sweet, innocent, virgin-like. But for the most part, I like it. So far, yung favorites ko talaga is this one. I like the Coral Powder Blush, and I'm gonna keep using this. You'll see this on my Instagram. I honestly, guys, I really like the lip tint. Sorry, guys, naputol yung video. It's a little bit dark outside, so the lighting is different as compared to kanina. But I believe that I was at the end of this video. For the smell, Paulo actually came into the room earlier, my husband, and he was asking me, ano yung amoy na yan? And it smells so good, and he likes it. So, parang if sabi ko kanina hindi ko siya type masyado, I might just wear it because Paulo likes it a lot. It's very rare that he says that he likes the smell, so because he likes it, I think I'm just gonna keep wearing it, and I think this will grow on me. Again, I do want to say thank you so much to GM Mahusay. It means so much to me na you reached out to me and you asked me to talk about your products, and make sure to check them out, guys. Their socials are check the description box and everything will be there, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.